Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to use DragonPass Lounge Access step by step so you can relax in style before your next flight. Step by step guides. Step 1. What is DragonPass? DragonPass is a global airport lounge membership program that gives you access to over 1.3 thousand lounges worldwide, plus discounts on dining, airport transfers, and more. Step 2. Download and register. First, download the DragonPass app from the App Store or Google Play, and then open the app, sign up, and create your account. If you already have DragonPass through your bank card, airline, or credit card, just link it during registration. Step 3. Find a lounge. Once you are logged in, use the search option to find your airport. The app will show you all available lounges, restaurants, and offers. You can check opening times, facilities, and guest policies right from the app. Step 4. Access the lounge. When you arrive at the airport, open your app, tap on My Card, and show the QR code to the lounge staff. They will scan it and grant you entry. Depending on your membership or bank benefits, you may give free access or pay a discounted fee. And then extra tips. Some lounges let you bring guests, but charges may apply. Always double check the terms in your app before you go. And that's it. You are all set to enjoy comfy seats, free Wi-Fi, food, and drinks while waiting for your flight. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.